With Omicron now in New Zealand, the best thing you can do is to get your booster as soon as it's due. Boosters lower your chances of getting very sick and being hospitalised and help slow the spread of the virus. That's why it's important to get your booster 4 months after your second dose. If you're 18 and over and your booster is due, get it now. Get your booster. Get ready. Book or find a walk-in vaccination centre at bookmyvaccine.nz.
Finding it hard to get by? If times are tough or unexpected costs come up, Workin Income may be able to help, even if you're working. Use Workin Income's online eligibility guide to find out what support is available to you and your family. To check what you might get, go online to check.msd.govt.nz. That's check.msd.govt.nz.
He puke, he rangatira, Ngāti Hine FM.
Iwa te kaima iwa ira ono ki whangarei nei, iwa te kaima iwa ira tahi tuatu I hikurangi. Come on over here, Tiwi. It's Eare Mara Morena.
Morena Mas, Morena Tiwi, it's Luke Bird right here flipping in your nest.
Yes, Morena whānau, you are here with the crew, all of us.
Yes.
It's all of us today. It's Friday.
It is Friday.
It's Friday. We
and
made
it's
it.
the morning, and I said Morena.
Morena.
I said Morena too.
Yeah, but like,
Morena.
no, you just said Morena.
Oh! Morena! Ede! Iwi!
There we go.
Yes.
Now I'm awake.
Now I'm complete.
Now
something's missing. I'm
Now
not
I've
sure.
got nipple tongue.
Oh, wow.
That gets you going,
Okay.
doesn't it?
Nippity dunga.
Didn't know that was the thing. Okay.
Yes.
Morena.
But now that we're on the subject,
Oh.
explain it.
It's Friday today. How exciting is that? We did the whole week, guys.
Aye.
You did.
Yeah.
I was away on Monday.
Oh, I forgot about that.
Oh, good. We did the whole week, guys.
Marcia was away one day too.
Yeah.
Just
Oh, yeah.
He had the infection. So.
I know, it's still going.
Yep.
Alrighty, Tiwi, kua tai tātou ki tēnei hōtaka o te rā. Like we said, we're the crew. We're finishing the week strong. It's Friday. So we've got all of our wahanga mako ai te rangi nei. Yours.
Absolutely. What's the plans for the weekend?
It's a long weekend.
It's a
eh?
long
it is,
weekend.
That's right. Yeah.
For everybody, or is it just a Northland thing?
Just Northland and Auckland.
Oh, karoha.
Northland and Auckland. And then we get another long weekend next weekend because it's Waitangi weekend. So
Yes. Oh,
that's
gosh.
2 long weekends in a row. Let's go.
How
2 short weeks.
exciting.
Yep. So Friday
We've got
today.
nothing planned.
Nah, no.
Me too. I got nothing planned
Like
either.
I don't want to sound like dumb, but I was planning on finishing heaps of work this weekend. I was like,
That's
"Ah,
not dumb.
I've got a
not
bit of
dumb.
mahi to
Actually,
do.
being your
so-
business partner, that's great.
That's very good.
Yeah, I was like,
and
oh,
being
this-
an observer here, it's about time.
I was wondering when you were going to start
Yeah,
working.
Yeah.
They said, oh, we're not joking. Okay.
Yeah. Well, I was
was
actually going to have a word
joking.
to you. You're fired.
How did the lawyers go? With the,
Oh, it was good.
Was it
Yeah.
scary?
So we're at the lawyers
With your
yesterday.
home D. Oh,
Yeah.
your home.
And my
loan.
parole officer. We're, no.
Oh my God.
So we had to sign our loan papers yesterday, Whānau, in case you missed the show,
Good.
for my new house, because I bought a house.
Was it like, did it take you time to sort of put your finger, like your hand with the pen and the pen to the paper?
No,
Little bit
I was
shaky?
like I was literally like,
Oh,
then she-
wow.
I'm out.
Zorro.
yeah. That was his entrance.
Yeah. But so and like I wasn't listening. She was explaining everything, and I'm just like, give me the papers. Zorro.
You were, next minute she's explaining, so the first payment is due yesterday.
Yeah. So this is the paper saying you agree that the loan has been disapproved. Oh wait, what?
And we will
Yeah.
take children for payment.
Easy.
That was
I've
right.
got 3.
Yeah.
4 coming.
Yeah. I didn't even know this new one. Take that one.
Oh my
He might be an egg.
Um,
So when I signed the loan papers, it was all good, and because I've been stressing a little bit, because we got an email from their lawyer, from their solicitor, saying that the KiwiSaver stuff's all been done. But because I spent a year away in Australia, there might be some sort of like
Wow.
clawback, like there might be some sort of penalties or fees or I don't know, something that I have to give back to the government. And
Gosh, they really
also I
they're really
did-
trying to find you, don't they?
I know, and I was like,
God.
so that was stressing me out a little bit. I was like, oh man, because you know, IRD, they love
Everything.
finding
Money.
fees and
Yeah, yeah,
penalties and
yeah.
that. But I was surprised to find out yesterday. I was like, oh, so because they hadn't confirmed yet whether it was all good or not.
Mm.
And then so I was like, so is my Kiwi? Do you know if my Kiwi savers come through? Is it all good? And she was like, oh, check. She went and checked. She's like, yeah, no, it's all there. I was like, oh, thank
Yeah.
you. Because I
That's
was
good.
stressing. I was like, what if they're like, sorry, you're away for a year. You can't have your Kiwi
Yeah,
saver.
hey,
Or
some
something.
little clause.
Wow.
Yeah, some little clause are actually.
Sorry, it actually says that you're a Kiwi kangaroo saver.
Yeah. Yeah.
Take it back.
Take it back.
Yeah. No, so it was all good. Papers all signed. Settlement day on the 11th. We got it on the 11th. Then we got to suss out a final inspection day with
Ooh.
the real estate agent. So we go in and just look around, make sure everything's working, make sure it looks how you're supposed to look. You know, yeah. You know when you sell a house, you don't actually have to like really clean it and do the lawn
Nah,
and all that
that's
sort of stuff.
wrong.
Yeah, I know, Buzzy. Eh? She was like, "Oh, you know, the lawyer was letting us like, just so you know, like, it's not a requirement for them to do the lawns. Like,
If they don't,
yeah,
what eggs?
I know,
Padu.
but they're like, not that they have, or like, I don't know,
Yeah, but
but
still.
they don't have to. Yeah,
Have
she
you
was
ever
like,
left your house like that?
And we've just
Yeah.
paid you $1 million.
yeah, it's just like, but you know, if it's major stuff, like if stuff's not working, if stuff's now
Mm.
broken, if stuff's been smashed, or like those kind of things, they
Yeah.
can rectify or whatever. They can do stuff about. But if the house is just not clean to how you would like it,
Yeah.
like it's still a little bit dusty, it's still a little bit,
No.
you know, that's not, you know, they
Like,
can't do
because
anything.
you, as a new homeowner, you'd just like to move in
Yeah,
and not have to do
exactly.
something else
Oh,
before getting in
yes.
there.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Ah, Karina.
We
Like
have
A rat infestation.
yeah, we have a family member of ours. Yeah, we have a family member of ours who does like has a cleaning business,
Mm.
and so she comes through our whare and cleans like once a week.
Oh, kia ora.
So we were going to hit her up.
Oh, sorry about it.
Yeah. Oh, that's mum. Mum's like, yeah, we'll bring her in, but she wants to support her business too.
Yes.
That's cool.
So yeah, so we were like, oh, sweet, we'll just bring her in.
Supportive
Hey,
Hey.
business.
Good
Yeah,
on you. I like
support
that.
business.
That's good.
Yeah.
Good
Oh,
stuff.
Miharo, that's cool. Cool
Yes.
yeah. So
conversations.
house moving on the 11th, housewarming on the 12th.
Oh, yeah.
We're there.
The housewarming also bring a bucket and
Yeah.
some hot soapy water.
And a lawnmower because they forgot to mow the lawns.
Oh, kia ora.
Oh,
Exciting.
that's good stuff.
Mm.
I haven't bought a house yet, Mas.
No,
Oh,
you and I both.
Yeah,
but
that's right. We can do it.
Taria te wā. Watch
Aye.
the space te tiwi.
Aye.
Yeah.
And just the mention of KiwiSaver, it's a good idea. Do it.
Yes, absolutely.
Oh, KiwiSaver, do it, man! Like
Mm.
it's literally investment. It's
And yourself.
in yourself and your yeah. So invest. So my plan now is that because I've withdrawn it early, you
Mm.
know, because of this. So the plan now, because it's been on the conservative since I started, so now I'm going to chuck it on the aggressive and just let it go hard because I
Yeah,
won't
I'm
need
on
it for ages.
I think I'm on the
Good,
same. I don't
Yeah.
know. I
Oh,
don't-
they
I
say
don't
if you're
check.
going to like buy a house to leave it on conservative so it doesn't
Mm.
fluctuate too much.
Yeah.
So if there's fluctuation and
'Cause
it
there's
goes
less
down a little
risk,
bit,
yeah.
it'll be less. But if you're on the aggressive, it's like
Ah.
yeah, and then I want to withdraw it, and then boom, whoops, it's dipped again quite significantly. I got to wait. So if you're going to buy a house, leave it on conservative. But like me now, I'm just going to go aggressive, go hard,
Aggressive.
take risks. I
stuff.
trust you, Fisher Funds.
I trust you with all my money.
Kia ora. I trust you with our weather report.
Yes, ngā matapai huarere mō tēnei rā. Right here in Te Whakaore, bye!
Kohi, kohi ngā cockles.
Is currently 19.6 degrees, so it's quite warm this morning, but it's a high of 24, which means it's a little bit cooler today. There's a southeasterly coming, a humidity of 73%, so it's not as moist, but it's still sweaty tongue where it all should be. Some morning cloud, possible light shower, then a sunny day. 8:36 tonight is your sunset. Oh, what a lovely night. Time to
Aw.
go walking on the beach. All you people with people's couples and people that have wedding bands, and you make me
Veils.
sick.
Oh my gosh, okay.
You make me sick.
You piss me off.
Oh, wow. Next month, Luke's going to be all that.
Next month. Hey, this is my husband.
Yeah. We eloped on the sunset down the beach with a band.
At 8:36.
At 8:36. Ki ngā tai o Whangarei, low tide is going to be at 20 to 11 this morning, and high tide will be at 10 to 5 this evening.
Oh,
So it'll still be highish when you go for your
nice.
sunset.
Yeah, I like that. Phoenix, what are you doing
Yeah.
at 8:36? I did look good, okay?
Yeah, nice.
Karen.
And then speaking of the tides, we
Oh, yes, it's your turn.
yeah. Kamata atu ki te marama. And push the button. Boom. Tēnā koe. Tēnā no tātou. Nau hoki mai ki tēnei wahanga ki anei ko sexy marama taka. Tō koutou tino wahanga. I nā pō i haere i waho i toku whare i pātai atu ki a hina. Tēnā koe e hina. Tō hanga girl. He hata i wahanga o tēnei marama. E mai ki au ko tangaroa a kio. Te ingoa o tēnei marama. He rā pai ki te hiika me te ruku tuna, te ruku kaura. Se rā pai mo ngā mahi katoa. Tangaroa a kio. Tangaroa a kio.
Tangaroa a kio.
It's quite sexy, isn't
Okay.
it?
Tēnā
Kio.
nui te hihiko.
Okay, kio.
Yeah.
Get it, kio.
Oh, I love it.
Rapuhia te kio.
Kia ora. Hea ngā mahi nui,
Just
hea
all
te
of it.
kaupapa nui? Ah,
Yeah.
pai.
He rā pai whānau.
In, under, on
In,
the water.
under, on the water.
Kia ora.
Ruku kai, hiika. Nui te hihiko.
Ka pai. All right. Come on over te wi kia mātou. Haere mai kia hai. Kia e ara e Maraku. And very shortly we'll see what Te Wira has to say and what Kemi we're going to play. Ko reira kia utu. Utomi mai. Hey, come on. You're listening to The Crew. It's Marcia, Phoenix, and Luke. Ngā Tini FM.
Hey boy, don't you know I got something going on? I've got an invitation, don't you keep me waiting all night long.
Stages. You're VIP. You know me. Everybody now.
Yes. What's the song backstage? What's the song? So one we all know. That was a great sign off.
Yeah, sign out like that every night. Make sure you join us again tomorrow, Friday, because remember, we are family.
Oh, any goss today, guys?
Any
goss on the other day? No, any goss at all? No.
Kahuri.
Is it bright?
Um,
Bitsy. Oh, okay.
No, like a karaoke song
Excuse me, do you not like
for Waiata Friday.
No, I'm talking about the comment.
I know.
Oh,
I know.
so you're
Talking to
me.
the comment.
What about Harper Valley PTA?
Where he did that? Backstage.
Yeah, can I get an orange?
What
shirt
about-
backstage, please? What about me? Tina Turner.
What about everything?
What about Tina? Anything from Tina?
What about Michael? What's Michael got?
Michael. Man in the Mirror done that.
Well, what
It's
about-
very long.
That is very
I'll
long.
be there.
I'll be there.
I'll be there.
Oh,
You and I.
let's make a pact. Okay. I like that. I like it. Let's check it out. Where
Oh,
there
Prince.
is love. I'll be there. Prince only know Purple Rain, Stan Walker Styles.
And then I only know Prince's When Doves Cry by
Oh, yeah.
Sebastian.
Sky Sebastian Styles, yeah, same me
Where should we
too.
go for breakfast?
Oh.
Where should we go for breakfast? Let us know.
Macca's.
Your mum's favourite place is the Hundavasa.
Nah, that's overrated.
I'm trying to get her to comment.
I was just gonna say, I don't like the risotto, Jules.
I told Jules.
Oh, she was listening.
Put them on for the summer content.
Ring of fire,
Right.
the ring of
We're gonna go all my woe mayonnaise and mayonnaise coming up. Okay, you're going back onto front stage, Tiwi.
Mine.
Safety mea nei. I ahu mai ngā hararei nohia mō te aha. Anyways, whether you're on hararei or holiday or not, there's heaps of peeps around at the mo, especially here in Te Tai Tokerau. You've heard it all before, no doubt. Be safe, don't do this, don't do that. Nō reira, mohi ana koutou what's good and what's not. So don't be that guy or gal. Nera, remember to keep your eye on tamariki near water, whether you are by the moana or awa, even a little waikiri. Keep an eye on tamariki and even other peeps' tamariki, because they're all our tamariki tutiaki. When we're around water, keep your eye on tamariki. It only takes a split second for them to get into trouble near water. Be te mene o te wau mene and watch out for our tamariki around wai. Whāmere hararei safety mea nei. You're welcome.
Ngāti Hine FM.
Iwa te kaumā iwa ira ono ki whangarei nei, iwa te kaumā iwa ira tahi tuatu e hikurangi, more nei te ui, it's e ara e mara.
That's right. We're here till 9 o'clock this morning with Marcia, Luke and Phoenix, showing you all the good stuff.
And right
Yes.
now, yeah.
Right now, whānau, we are getting into our segment. Well, before we get into E Ara E Mara, we have to
Oh, that's a good
we have to then go to Te Wira
Ai,
and ask the great almighty Wira.
ai,
He ato tātou ne kēmu i te atani.
Aye.
kei taku ira.
The leader
E
of
tuohu Ki te
anxiety.
Wira ne.
Ai, no reira. Tēnā pēi te pātene.
Ai, okay.
Oh,
Oh, okay.
Wira.
Okay.
Aha.
Boom. Te
Here we go. Spinning the wheel with Iwi.
What is it?
Same game. Oi!
Oh,
Hai
haka
tēnei.
Māori. How did you know we were actually planning on using more Māori?
Ura.
So
Te
the
mea
way,
he Māori.
yeah, i te
Atoto.
mea he Māori tātou. True whānau. So whaka Māori is one of our favourite games
Yeah.
where we find a waiata Pākehā or etahi waiata Pākehā and we try and kind of just translate it on the spot
Mm.
and then let each other figure it out.
Yes.
Try and figure what the song
Surely.
is.
We'll get there.
Yeah.
Look, and don't come for our grammar. It's not
Yes.
about that. It's about what you can come up with on the spot.
Yeah,
That's
yeah.
right.
So we'll find a couple of waiata during the next song and see if we can whaka Māoritia e rā waiata.
Ai.
And then everyone has to try and guess what the waiata is.
Reheko.
And then we'll give it an attempt at trying to sing it in Māori.
Let's go. I'm excited. Te te
I'm
wanga,
trying to think of a
kēmu
song.
makau. I tēnei wā kia oki anō tātou ki te mita o te rohe. It's the
Oh,
Decepticon.
Decepticons. That's savage.
Yeah, got it. It's like something else. What other characters
Listen
like
to the
that?
music, Decepticons. Kia tonu mai, Ngāti Hine FM.
Okay, it's Iwi. Welcome back stage.
Anyone a Pākehā waiata for me that I can... Did you watch Rāwhitiroa and Chelsea's quarter?
Kahore. Was it Pai?
I didn't. I missed it. I was coaching, but he's posted it, so you can go back and watch it.
Oh, yeah.
Engari, he roa.
He roa te kōrero. Elimination.
I'm trying to concentrate on one at the moment, Phoenix.
Were you laughing at your own translation?
No.
Listen to the music. Okay, Tiwi. We've got Decepticons on now, and then very shortly we're going into Te Wira has spit out our game for today. Whaka Māori. Kei ahau e ruanga waiata.
Oh, I've only got
Just in
one.
case.
Yeah,
I'll try.
Yeah, bring it up.
How am I going to translate
Tika
this?
Q.
It's so hard.
Q.
Oh, fuck. You'll be so
That's what's funny.
I think I'm going to go to the chorus for mine.
Go to the chorus. Take it to the chorus.
Celine Dion.
Yeah.
No!
Lady Gaga.
No.
Shania Twain.
Oh, Shania Twain would be quite good.
Actually, then when I said it out loud.
That don't impress me much. Yeah. Got the cool, but
It wasn't an intonation.
don't get me wrong.
Yeah, I think it's all right. They don't give me one in the middle of the night. I'm Shania.
Yeah.
Oh. Honey, ke koneo. Tai maha tērā. Tēnā tiki mai he waikoa.
40 seconds.
Uh-oh.
Oh.
Listen to the music. Uh-oh, this is hard.
Oh, this is going to be very hard.
5.
Iwa te kaumā iwa ira ono ki whangarei nei, iwa te kaumā iwa ira tahi tuatu I hikurangi morena e te iwi.
Kia ora, backstage. I'm putting you back. If you don't know what I'm talking about, we are available online as well as on air. Go check out our Facebook page, Aore Mara, or Nefa Creative, and you'll find an online live there where you can see
That's
our
right.
mata. How lucky are you? And of course, you're welcome to be in our backstage. Our what is it? VIB.
VIB, the very important backstages.
Kia ora. Heoi anō e te iwi, the Wida has spat out our kēmu mo te rangi nei, and it is whaka Māori.
Waka Māori.
Nō reira, maua e tāti.
Oh, ka.
Mau.
Okay. All right, here we go.
Mau te kēmu e tati.
Ko koe koau me hono tahi tāua. Me whakaora tāua anō. Kei reira te aroha, kei reira hoki ko ahau.
Ooh.
Ka toro atu taku ringa ki a koe.
Oh, this is good.
Ko taku whakapono ki a koe. Karangauhia mai tōku ingoa, kei kona ahau.
Call my name and just call my name. I'll be
Oh,
there.
nice. Oh, Jenna got it too. Nice.
Yes.
Oh, well
I said
done.
that. I was thinking it when you first started, and I was like, and then you went. So I said the next line. I was like, oh no.
Yes. Way to
Nice.
go. Way to go, Luke. Way to
How
go,
so? Go sing
generator.
it in the deal.
Okay.
Have a try.
Here we go. Ko koe koau me hono tahi.
Yes.
Me whakaora anō. Kei kona te aroha, kei kona hokia.
Yes.
Toro atu taku ringa kia koe.
Oh, kia ora.
Anei taku whakapono kia koe. Karanga taku ingoa, kei kona hau.
Yes. That's
Okay,
good.
there we go.
That's real good.
Oh,
That was
I'm
good.
a little
I
bit
like it.
stumped with mine now. Oh,
I feel
gosh.
like I need to go with the slow jams because it's kind of gives you a little bit of time to think about it.
Oh, heck,
Yes.
This is going to be very hard.
Tahi rarangi, tahi whakaro.
Marcia,
Okay.
yours
Kataia.
is good.
Go ruka.
Oh, I'm
Go
gonna
e te
try.
ruka manu
Okay.
whititua.
Oh, kia ora. Now the pressure's really on.
Coming down the outside.
Sorry, what's the word for somewhere?
Paitera.
I'll just start off with the other words and then I'll come
Okay.
back. We can't
Oh,
figure
yeah.
that one out.
I think I know the song.
Ki kora.
Yeah, Kikora.
Oh, okay.
Tetahi wai. I don't
Yeah,
know.
te tahi wahi.
Te tahi wāhi I runga I te aniwana.
Pai.
Manu kahurangi e rere ana.
Kira.
Me ngā moimoia I whakamoimoia koe. Moimoia. Moimoia. Oh, how do I... Jenna's laughing at me.
No,
Ngā
she's
tino
laughing with
moimoia,
you.
ngā tino moimoia I whakapono ai. Tētahi rā I whakapono koe I runga I te whetū.
Ora.
I ora ai I runga I ngā kapua
Kitua?
I muri a koe. I muri a hau, sorry. That's all I can come up with at the moment.
I've only got the first line.
Yeah, same.
And
Yeah,
I'm like, is it that
it's
song?
reminds me of a joke.
A
Really good joke that I know.
Okay, you gotta
I'm
share the
trying.
joke.
Okay, I'm trying. What is
So-
it?
Oh, the joke is you've heard the joke. It's where do you weigh a pie?
Yes, it is.
E
Have you got it?
tahi
Yes.
Okay.
What am I doing?
Somewhere over the rainbow.
Oh, yes,
It's
thank
somewhere
you.
over the
Thank
rainbow.
you.
Mm.
Sing it. Try him.
Somewhere, e tahi wā I runga I ngā awe aniwa. Ngā manu kahurangi I rere ana.
Yes.
Ngā moimoia I whakamoimoia ia. Ngā moimoia I whakapono ai. I tētahi rā I whakamoimoia ia koe I runga I ngā whetū. I ora ai I runga I ngā kapua I muri a hau. And that's all I got to. Somewhere over the rainbow, bluebirds fly.
I didn't even know that was the next lyric.
Nah,
Bluebirds
neither. I
fly.
only know that because of the
Oh,
joke. The
really?
way up high.
Oh my
Yeah.
gosh.
Over the rainbow,
Blue.
way up high.
Oh, this is the second verse.
Oh, I was like,
sorry.
where did bluebirds come from?
This is the
You didn't even get the English translation right.
Tiwadi.
This is hard.
No, I love it. It sounds so romantic. I'm going to write down your lyrics.
Ngā manu
And use it.
kahurangi.
I love the whakamahi ngā whakakupu tino whakanui. Pai koe I tira
I'm trying again.
whakamahi I tira
Oh.
momo
It's so
ahuatanga.
much easier when you
Aye.
translate it to English because then brave.
Pai tira, wana.
Oh, that was
Okay, paki whoosh.
That's so
Aki whoosh. E tuana ahau.
Mm.
Kua hau anake I mua I te ao I wahora. I thought that would
Oh, say it again.
Oh, no, no. E
Standing
tuana
all
ahau.
alone,
Yeah.
the world outside. Yeah, what is that? What is that?
Yeah,
Say it again.
yeah.
Yeah, kigai.
E tuana ahau. Kua hau anake I mua I te ao e wahora.
Mm.
I wahora.
Hmm.
e rapuhia e koe, etahi wāhi te noho huna, ki te noho huna.
Yes, a place to
Ah.
hide. Why don't I know this song?
Yeah, you know it. Kua ngaro.
Lost.
Kua
Standing all
ngaro.
alone in the world
Ah.
outside, looking for a place to hide.
Oh,
What's that?
Kua ngaro. Kua...
I've lost.
Me... Oh,
Is this
yeah.
a rap?
Kua ngaro. Kua... Yeah. Kua ahau. Nahe. Kua ahau anake. Ah, yeah. Kua ngaro.
I'm
Kua
lost
ahau
and alone.
anake.
All alone.
Ai.
Oh,
Standing
Ina
all
nei.
alone in the world outside.
Yeah.
Is it a rap?
No,
Oh,
no,
okay.
no. Ina nei.
Not Troy Kingi.
No.
Okay.
You'll know it though. You'll know it. You definitely know it.
Coolio.
No, it's not a rap.
He was-
Ina nei.
I know it's not.
this is
I was
hard.
going to say Go Sebastian.
Oh no, it's not. Ina nei. I homai. I homai koe. Te oranga ano. Yeah. I homai koe te oranga ano. Mena e mate kai ana. E ora tonu ana nā te aroha.
Oh my goodness me. No, I'm lost now.
Yes, no, yes.
What did you put
Did
in?
anybody, because I was like, I know those lyrics.
What was it?
I was
Yeah.
standing
Yeah.
all alone against the world outside. Yes.
Did
You were searching.
Yeah.
My own fucking Māori.
Oh,
For
yeah.
a place to hide.
Yes.
Right.
George.
I was like, I know this song. Okay, fucking Māori tia. Why out to Māori?
I was standing.
Eagles say, yeah.
Yes.
E tuana. A kua anake. I moi te ao I waho. E rapuhia koe. E tahi wahi te noho huna. Kua ngaro. Something.
Well done.
Ma te kai koe. E ora tonu ana tātou.
Yes.
Well done.
Well done. Hi, Tina.
For those of you
Yeah.
just joining us and you're wondering what's going on, we actually, one of our games is we get a Pākehā song and we have to translate it and guess the lyrics in Te Reo.
Yeah,
Yes,
that was good.
like that. So we had a started off with "I'll Be There," Michael Jackson.
Yes.
Somewhere over the rainbow.
And then finish it off with
Standing all alone.
yeah, what's the word?
Is it
What's the
Eagles?
song? Yes, the Eagles. And the song
Love
is Love Will Keep
will
Us
keep
Alive.
us
Yes.
alive.
It could be our song today.
Yeah. Alrighty, Tia. Everyone, song suggestions. Tono mai, it is why it's a Friday. After all. Here no kia no tātou ki te mita o te rehoi. Still to come in the next couple minutes. We've got topical news.
Yes, we do.
Kia tonu mai.
Yeah, we have a lady soul cover from Finn Ruva. No reira, kia tonu mai, ngā te Hine FM.
Bye. I was like, standing all alone in the world outside. Why do I know those lyrics?
I thought it was a rap. Standing all alone in the world outside. I thought, I'm sure this is a rap.
Coolio, like the As I Walk
Through the Valley, yeah.
Shadow of Death.
Love will keep us alive.
Okay, so I'll be there.
Oh, yeah, sorry. Not gonna download it.
Yes, but like you can do first verse, or just do normal. Then like we'll do second verse, and then
I'll be there.
and then I can do bridge.
What am I doing? I'll be there. Instrumental.
Jackson 5, yeah, karaoke. Oh, is it on YouTube?
Oh, yeah.
You and I must make it back. Okay.
KP. Oh, lower. It's got lower.
Oh, lower.
She's not well.
Paitiwi Day, like so we don't have to think about it.
Yeah. No, it's good. And it kind of adds just another element.
Yeah,
to
yeah.
it.
Although, if you guys make like actual spinning wheel on the table,
Yeah,
let us know. We want to get it.
I still want to do one where it's a real unfortunate.
Yeah, consequences.
Yeah. Consequences, man.
I'll be there to comfort you, but my world dreams around you. I'm so glad that I found you, yeah. I'll be there with your love sunshine. I'll be your strength. You know I keep holding out.
Where should we go for brunch? Where are we going for brekkie?
Let me fill your heart with joy and laughter. Togetherness,
Jenna, you coming?
girl, is all I'm
We're
after.
pre-recording the show today.
Yes,
What time
because
is
it's a holiday Monday at Tiwi. Here no Kauai and Maharahara. We will pre-record Great Tanga.
What time we reckon we'll go? Just message him.
Not sure. Well, do you reckon we'll be done by 10, surely?
Surely.
Are we doing the same format as the holidays, or are we doing a proper?
We're doing proper.
It's probably more like 11.
We don't have to listen to the songs. Because that would mean that a proper, like
It
this.
takes us about an hour and a half to do a full show.
There you go then. 10:30.
11.
Might as well come in on Monday.
No. Well, we can give us a challenge and say 10.
Yeah.
I'm going to hold you to it.
It's you going. Do it again. I'm not ready. We're not going. And go. Oh, I didn't do it. Do it again. Hold yourself to it.
Time to go.
Oh my gosh. Oh, is it topical news, eh?
Yeah.
Here I am thinking about the song. How'd that
It's
topical?
It's in the button, so that's good. But, 2 minutes. Uno momento.
Excuse me.
One minute. Oh, a minute and a half. One minute.
Thank you, Phoenix. Hey,
Okay,
Phoenix.
we'll put you back on front of stage.
Killed or seriously injured in speed-related crashes on our roads in Aotearoa each year. Let's aim for zero. With Waka Kotahi, committed to keeping us safe. Go to www.nzta.govt.nz to find out more and take care on the roads.
The rhythm of the rohe.
I'ma break you off, let me be your motivation to stay and give it time. I wanna do it every single hour. Don't it feel so good, good when I lay your body out. Wondering who's stuck in your head at night.
Ngāti Hine FM.
Iwa te kauma, iwa ira ono ki whāngarei nei, iwa te kauma, iwa ira tahi tū atu I Hikurangi, morena, rete
Ira, it's the one that you come after you smack. Morena. It's
Rete
airway.
Morena, get the kids in the car. Who's that kid? Get in the car.
Yeah, that's the auntie that doesn't have kids of her own.
Yeah.
But she's just grown up raising the nephews and nieces.
Get in the car.
Who are you? Get in the car. Get in the snow.
Sure fun. Anyway, you're here with the crew. E ara e Mara, myself, Phoenix, Marcia, and Luke. Mai te whitu karaka tainua ki te iwa karaka.
Ora.
We still have heaps up coming up on the show. Soon we'll be jumping into Wātea News. But we still got your favourite segments, Iti Te Kupu and Mea Ana Koe. And then today it's Wātea Friday.
Aye.
So we will be singing a Wātea today.
Kia ora. But right now we're going to dive into topical news, ne? Kia koe tō topical news.
Aye, I'm waiting for just a
Patua mata.
Oh, you want the button?
Yeah.
Well, we are going to cross live
You
to
want the
Luke
button?
Bird in the streets. Hey, Bird, what is the word?
We got the button.
Oh, thank you
You
very
heard it?
much, Phoenix. Yes. Here we go. The word on the street today. There's a story going viral around the I think it's America. I don't know where it is. Actually, I don't know. There's a story, there's a story going
We're
viral
on some street.
right now about a mum giving birth, and her nurse has a picture with her premature baby, and it happens to be. She goes, "You look familiar," and there's a picture of her holding her own. So the lady who gave birth 10 weeks early.
Kia ora.
The nurse that helped to give birth is holding the baby, going, "He'll be fine." She goes, "You look familiar." The lady that gave the baby. She goes home. She comes back a few weeks later, going, "You are the same nurse who gave birth to, gave labor. What's the word when you give birth? That to
Yeah.
her husband, who was
Deliver.
also
Help deliver.
her own husband, the girl that gave birth." It's a bit confusing, but I'll show you the picture to sort of. And he was also 10 weeks premature.
The husband was having a baby.
That was the same nurse who delivered her husband when he was a baby.
Yeah, but it was all unplanned.
And then her husband's baby.
her husband's baby.
Yeah.
It's just the irony of it all. Like how
That's
they-
quite cool.
in a random hospital, not the same hospital, not the same town, didn't know who it was,
gee.
and 33 years. And it's the same picture.
She applied for the job the week before.
Hard. His toka tēnei. I thought you were going to say the lady delivered her own baby. Not much like our Auntie Mari here, who's done that with, I think, a couple of her kids just in the bush. Yeah, I had her up in Hokianga,
Uh,
Black Bush.
yeah. Yeah, he was and we pooped.
Yeah,
Oh,
actually.
yeah.
Yeah.
Ooh, girl.
Kia ora gu.
Yeah, no.
That is toka
But
material.
it's just random, like how it's the same lady, and how is
Yes.
it possible? And
Mm.
the both babies were premature, and the 10 weeks premature. Just amazing. I just
Kia
find that
ora.
kind of thing really uncanny.
Right. My
Uncanny.
headlines is not a happy story, but I'm reading it because it's about my uncle. Okay,
Oh.
Kiwis legend Olsen Elefina
Oh yes.
Filipina hospitalized with
Filipina.
kidney failure. So he's
Oh,
currently
heck.
over in New South Wales at the moment. He's been hospitalized due to his kidney failure. He's the same condition as Jonah Lomu had
Oh, right.
for a few years now. Auckland councillor Alf Filipina, his brother, had put up a pānui for the whole whānau to see, and it's made the headlines. Kia ora. His condition has improved over a few days regarding the infection, but the kidney problem has worsened, which he's been dealing with for the last few years actually.
Wow.
So yeah, this is just it's in the headlines, and pānui to everybody. Send out all my whakaro pai,
Aye.
karakia ki a koe uncle, kia piki te kaha. Now, Austin Filipina, some of you may be saying, who's that? Well, he played for the in the NRL from the 1980s to
Wow.
1987. And that actually makes great sense to me because I didn't know he was like like as a kid being brought up with him.
Yeah.
And then we went to the Otahuhu Rugby League Club, and I'm sitting in there and I'm like, is that Uncle Olsen? Like
Yeah.
everywhere. Just like Olsen.
Why is there
And she's
so
like,
many photos of him?
yes, he was like Kiwi legend. And I was like, wow, you could have fooled me. No one told me. Okay, so Arahamoe. Yeah, no, he was that guy. And I only
Me.
say from the 1980s to 87 because I was born in 88. So how would I know?
Ah, exactly. I missed it.
Engari, whakaaro pai and karakia going
Yes.
all the way to actually in the hospital that I was born in.
Oh.
Stalker material.
By the same nurse.
By the same nurse.
Oh, that's cracker. All right, Friday. Well, Aini, kua hoki tātou ki te mito te rohe. But before that, I'm just letting you know, we still got all your favorite segments coming up. Iti te kupu, e mea ana koe. And then it's Friday.
Yes.
So we will be bringing the waiata tumanako tia paiake ki te waiata I tērā wiki.
We'll just forget about that.
Yeah, throw that one in the rubbish. I hope you
Also,
missed
we'll
it.
forget about the fact that I said Otahuhu Rugby Club.
Yeah,
It's Mangere
Mangere
East.
East. Yeah, I wasn't going to say anything.
Well, same diff. Nah,
Self is self. No reira whānau, kua hoki tātou ki te mito o te rohe, and then we'll be getting straight into your news from Wātea. Tēnā koe e Scotty. No reira, kia au tonu mai. Ngāti Hene FM.
Yeah.
We have a wāta from Anderson Paak and Bruno Mars.
Oh, let's go.
Skate. Ngāti Hene.
Welcome back to the backstage. Until Scotty's on. Oh.
It's just Luke taking a cuppa.
Oh, kia ora. Kika. Oh, no crutch.
Yeah, I've got to start using without it, just the stairs with that.
Oh.
Today's physio. You know Jill? From so we used to have a physio. Oh, it was hard. If you were in the fitness thing, you would have heard me. It was so hard.
We hear you when you're in the Pilates, in the gym, in the toilet. Hold on. I'll be there, eh?
Yeah.
Yep. Let me fill your heart with joy and laughter. Togetherness, girl, is all I'm after. That's you. Say your first verse and let me fill. When you need me, I'll be there. I'll be there to protect you. With a selfish love that respects you. Holy heck, I didn't know these were the words. Just call my name, and I'll be there. I'll be there to comfort you. But my world dreams around you. I'm so glad that I found you. Okay, it's here. Next hour, we got it's Te Kapu, e mea ana koe, and tērā pēr he wahanga pāpai. Me te crotch, or like crutch. Okay, you're going back on to the studio.
E ngā iwi o te motu tēnā koutou katoa. Scotty Morrison tēnei me ngā upoko kōrero o te wā nā te pūtea taunaki a te māngai pāho. E whai akene e tiwi kei te tohe tonu e tahi o ngā hapu o roto Waikato Tainui, ara kia te manaaki hia te wai o te awa o Waikato. Nā runga no hoki te piki haeretanga o te utu mo te kai e nei rā, he maha ngā whānau me ngā marae tahuri ana ki te whakatū Marakai, hei oranga mō rātou, me ngā hā kinakina e whai ake nei. Kei te tohe tonu etahi o ngā hapū o roto i te rohe o Waikato Tainui, kia te manakihia, kia te tiakina, kia te whakautehia te wai o te awa o Waikato, kia te huri ake tātou ki tēnei o ngā māngai o wāhi pā, ara kia huirama mā tātahi.
Ko mātou tēnei o te pā wāhi tētahi o ngā rōpū me ki, i tukuna atu i tō mātou whakahe, kia kaua te kamupene rā e whakanui ake i o rātou tango me ki te wai, kia whakaputa rāno tētahi rautaki e whakātu ana i tō rātou manaki, i tō rātou tiaki, i tō tātou awa tupuna.
Nā runga no hoki te piki haeretanga o te utu mo te kai e nei rānei, he maha ngā whānau me ngā marae e tahuri ana ki te whakatū Marakai, hei oranga mō rātou, o tira hei kaupapa tū hono hono i a rātou i roto i te whakarīrātanga o te whanaungatanga te whakatau rā ia mā whero mā pango. Hei tā koha ka hui McDonnell o Parakore ki Tāmaki Makaurau, i ēnei rānei, ko tahi tāra te utu mo te pā ki Tihi, engari ko tahi tāra 50 heneti te utu mo te karoti ko tahi. Nō reira hei tāna he mea nui kia whai māra ngā marae, kia whai māra rānei ngā hapū, ara kia riro mā rātou, te iwi, ngā whānau o te hapū rānei o te marae rānei, e a te whāngai. Me mātua whakarite ngā kura kaupapa Māori katoa mo te tūpono ka māhora te omikona ki wiwi ki wāwā a ngā wiki tata e tū mai nei. Koe nei te whakahau, te whakatena a te runanga kura kaupapa Māori o te motu, i runga hoki te mōhio kei te whakatika te nuinga o ngā kura ki te whakatūwhera i o rātou kuaha a te rā wiki. Hei tā te whare kura o Manurewa, aha koa o rātou mā harahara me o rātou a maitanga, e tino whakapono ana rātou, ko whakatūria e rātou he tikanga mā rohi e haumaru tonu ai ngā tauira, ngā kaiako me ngā whānau. Hei tā Mahia Nathan, tūmoaki o te kura, he mea nui kia hoki ake anō ngā tamariki ki te kura i ngā koara he wā roa rātou e ako ana i te kāinga. Hei tāna he mea pai mo te wairua, he mea whakapiki i te wairua, te hoki ngā tahi a ngā tamariki katoa ki te kura, ki reira noho tahi anō ai. Nā, kei te takatū ngā hapori Māori tua whenua mo te horapatanga o te omikona ki Wainganui i a rātou, o tira ki Wainganui i ngā whānau whakaraerai, ko te tūmanako o te kāwanatanga i te wānei, kia kaha ake te karawhiua o ngā whakamātautau ki runga i te tangata, ara kia kite ai tokohia rawa ngā kehi omikona o te wānei. Engari nā te ruarua o ngā whakamātautau huare e wāte ana ki ngā rotonga hauara o te motu, kei te rārangi o roa anō ngā rotonga hauara Māori e tatari Marikana. Hei tā kiri o pai o te ratonga hauara o Taranaki, he māmā ake te whakahaere i te whakamātautau huare, nō reira kei tino pirangi rātou ki tēnei momo whakamātautau, hei tuku atu mā rātou ki ngā whānau o Taranaki. Kia tiruhia ake ngā tatauranga o te wā mo te mate korona me tāna noho mai ki roto i o tātou hapori. Whātekau mārima ngā kehi kōwhiori, kehi omikona hou i hua ake i o tātou hapori i te 24 haora nei. E mā hora atu ana e nei kehi hou nei ki ngā rohe o Tāmaki Makaurau, ara 22, Waikato, toko 2, te moana a Toi, toko 3, Ngā Roto, toko 7, Taranaki, ko tahi te mataua Māui, toko 8, me te tauihu o te waka toko 2 ngā kehi hou kei reira. Hei tā tō tātou Premier, hei tā Jacinda Ardern, kei te whakatū te kāwanatanga i etahi rautaki mo te wā e kotahi manowai ngā tūroro omikona i te hapori, tai atu rā hoki ki te wā e eke atu ai pea te rahi o ngā tūroro omikona ki te 50,000 tāngata. Ina ngeto e te iwi ko ngā hā kinekina.
Get your daily dose of Māori news and information. Pāki Waha, weekday mornings from 7 on Radio Wātea.
E aro nui ana te waitea Māori nei a Zoe Hobbs kia uruia ki te whakataetai kaipara o te ao, whai muri ho i tāna whakarite wā kōmata hou mo te 100 mita wāhine i Aotearoa nei. Nāna no te re koata I turakina rā e ia I ngā rangi whakatānei. Engari, ko te mate ke he kaharawa no te hau e pupuhi ana I muri ho I aia. Nō reira, kāore, tana te kaumātahi irakati whā hekona e whai mana I roto I ngā whakaritenga mo te kuhu ki te whakataetae o te ao. Ko te whakaritenga kē ia kia kaua te hau e kaha ake I te 2 mita ia hekona. Hioe aha koa tēnei rahuatanga e ngā kau whakapuke tonu ana ia kia mohi o te ao ki aia I tēnei tau. Ko te marama o hune, te marama whakamutunga, kia te tuki ia Hobbs, te wā tika mo te uru ki te whakataetae o te ao. Koe ra ngā hā kina, kia ora tātou.
Nā no reire te motu, mā wātea, mā te reo, hei whakamārama.
He mea tautoko nā te manga.
Hei pāho.
The rhythm of the rohe.
Ngāti Hine FM.
Are you having a fundraiser, meeting, or community event? Let us know. Email onair@ngatihinefm.co.nz or message us on Facebook. Proudly supporting your community, Ngāti Hine FM.
Nau mai haere mai ki te whare haura o ngā tihine. Kia wero a koe ki te rongoa ārai ma te kowheori, tuatahi, tuarua, tuatoru rānei.
Ka puare ngā kuaha o te whare o torongare mai I te iwa ki te whā, mane ki te praere.
Me he mea he āwanga e pātai rānei au, haere ki www.nhht.co.nz.
Waia mai ki kore waru kore kore, rua whetū rua, whā waru, whā rua.
Parents and caregivers can now get their 5 to 11-year-olds immunised against COVID-19. Find out more at bookmyvaccine.nz or call the COVID Vaccination Healthline on 0800 28 2926.
Wananga.ac.nz.
Want to take a learning journey on your marae? Te Whare Wānanga o Awanuiarangi offers marae-centred programs, bringing learning to you, your whānau and hapu, ensuring knowledge is shared from one generation to the next. Awanuiarangi, rukuhia te mātauranga. Study with us.
Wananga.ac.nz.
We love our moana, our water. We love a quick dip or a manu off the wharf, catching a wave or gathering kai. Yep, we spend our lives around water. But water can also change our lives. Last year, ACC supported people across Aotearoa who were injured in and around water. And we helped people learn water safety skills. Discover the ways we're here for Aotearoa at acc.co.nz/moana.
Iwa te kaumā, iwa ira ono, ki whangarei nei, iwa te kaumā, iwa ira tahi tuatu I hikurangi, morena e te iwi. It is Luke, Marcy and Phoenix right here till 9 a.m, flapping your flaps with all the goodness in your nest.
Oh, kia ora.
Yes,
Flapping the
Friday.
flaps.
That is right. It's 8:08 a.m. and there's a lot of flapping apparently.
Yeah.
But you're here with the crew out at Mara.
That's right.
Tainoa ki te iwa karaka. If you just joined in, then you missed our Kemu Whakamaori tia.
Oh yeah, that was a goer.
Which is a fun game. It's a game we find a waiata in English. We translate it into te reo on the spot. And hopefully our compadres can figure out what we're trying to. Yes,
and we
funny.
did pretty well.
We did pretty well. Yeah, we guessed everyone's waiata. No one criticised us in the comments for our real translations.
We're also our own judges.
Yeah.
We were excellent.
We were great, perfect grammar diction.
We were amazing.
Beautiful. Atahua, as some might say.
Heo anō e te iwi nau mai hoki mai ki anga whakarunga tō tātou te tiro ki ngā tohu huarere.
That's right, ngā tohu huarere mo tēnei rā. Te whangaore pai, kohi ngā cockles.
Cockles.
Kohi ngā
Cockles. What we're doing again.
He said,
Kohi ngā pina coladas, just me.
Me kohi ngā kina and actual pai moana, because I really dive.
Me kohi ngā.
Okay, we'll start again.
Okay.
Ngā tohu huarere mo tēnei rā. Te whangaore pai, kohi ngā cockles.
I wasn't sure because you were kind
There
of
was
doing
a
the
lot.
pina colada
I
thing.
was a bit up
We
there.
start off with the cockles, then we go home and have the pina
Because
colada.
me and you had already did the cockles one.
Yeah, I
She
get
missed
it.
And then you did the pina coladas one, so I was thinking maybe,
Marcy's
this
Sometimes you just gotta risk it.
it's a whole
You gotta
kerfuffle.
risk.
Anyway.
It's a kerfuffle.
Kohi ngā Thai restaurants. Koi ngā sushi restaurants.
Kohi ngā menses. Menses.
Kohi
Tēnā,
ngā
men.
reservations.
Plural, more than one. Menses.
Ah.
Anyway, it is currently 19.8 degrees. It's a high of 24 degrees in Te Whanga o Reipai and also a high of 26 degrees in Tamaki Makovid. It's 73% humidity, which means it's not quite moist, but it's sweaty tongue in all the right places. Some morning cloud, possible light shower, then a sunny day and southeasterly, sun setting at 8:36 p.m. tonight.
So informative.
Mm.
Ki ngā tai o Whangarei at 10:37 later on this morning will be your low tide and high tide at 10 to 5.
10 to 5. So what you can do, you can go to the beach at high tide at 10 to 5 and you can start your walk down the beach, and then at 8:27 you can watch the sunset.
Oh,
Beautiful. And then once the sun sets, e mātāna tātou ki te maramataka, tēnā pēr kōrera atu ki aia. Boom. Tēnā koe e
I
hina.
love how you actually go and do an actual push
Yeah,
button,
I'm
but
pushing
no
the
one,
button.
no one can see you.
There is a-
button there. And
Tēnā
after you
koe.
push the other one, it's like, woof, jack it off.
Yeah.
Try it. That'd be
And
quite
then
cool.
you push the other one and it goes, hi. Anyway, mātāna tātou ki te maramataka. Tēnā anō tātou. Nau hoki mai ki tēnei wahanga ki ane koa. Sexy maramataka. Sweetitanga in all the right places. Oh, this sexy maramataka is bound to get you sweaty in all the right places. Ina poi pata atu ki a tanga. Kia hina. Hea te wahanga o tēnei marama. Mea mai ki au ko tangaroa kio. Te wahanga o tēnei marama. He rā pai ki te hituna, ki te roku kaura, ki te roku kaumoana, ki te roku kina, ki te roku scallops. He rā pai ki te haere te taha o te tātai.
Wairu!
Nice.
I ran down. I
Nice.
ran down. I was like,
Tangaroa kio.
and don't ever double time me again.
That wasn't. It was.
I said, why? But I came in, and then you didn't join, and you just started it again. Who do you think you are?
The timing.
Lead singer or something?
Oh, sweaty
They
tongue
tell
in
me
all the
about
right
timing.
places.
Anyway,
That's right.
Tangaroa kio. Yes, I heard
Tangaroa
all the
kio.
kaimoana that you're about to give us.
Yes,
He rā pai, he rā tino pai tēnei rā, e nui ana te hihiko i te rānei.
Ooh, nui ngā hua o Tangaroa i te rānei.
We're looking forward to it. Thank you, Phoenix.
Yeah.
Seafood
Oh,
boil
check
up.
the wins.
Haere
I'll
mai
check the
ki
wins.
a mātou, ngā tamariki o Tangaroa
I actually
e.
think you need to get an order.
Sarah K. Hitter, you lay too vai. You make me. You just love it. My fave, sweaty tongue in all the right places. Yum.
No, yuck.
Still to come, whānau, we have e mea ana koe iti te kupu.
Nā wai te ka.
Yeah, nā wai i te ka, mā wai e te ka. Probably Luke. And it's right to Friday, so we're going to be singing the waiata today. So if you've got any suggestions in the chuck them in the comment section if you're watching us live. Any suggestions for Waiata Friday? We'll probably ignore it because you picked dumb songs.
Oh, man.
Anyway, ko hoki tātou ki te mito o te rohi. We have Catch a Fire with Get Away.
Get away, everybody.
Kia au tonu mai whānau, because, this is where it's at. Nā
Get out. Backstage, you get this version. I got to get away sometime. Oh, yeah. From under the sea. I got to get away.
I've got to get away
To my special place. I woke up, on a cloudy day.
Oh, that's a bit
Feeling blase from last night's party.
Oh. I was wondering what you're doing.
I couldn't find my shoes to la-di-da-di. Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Me car broke down.
Oh.
Me missus left me with the baby now.
Terrible.
And I can't make
Yeah.
that day today. It might have to be another day. I said, I'm sorry.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Wycliffe, he's in the funny. We got Sebastian and Wycliffe.
That's my,
And who are you?
That's my reggae.
I thought you said Mary Poppins.
I love to play Mary.
Oh, Mary's a goer, eh?
Like a bridge over troubled waters, I will lay me down. Like a bridge over troubled waters.
I will lay me down. Don't trouble the waters.
Hey.
Leave it alone. Why don't you let it?
Like a
Oh my God.
bridge over troubled waters.
Get it.
Like a bridge
Oh, I'm putting it in the wheel. High note challenge. What is the high note challenge song?
Oh, we're just making up on the day.
Like a bridge.
Give me any song. We're just going up every time.
It's in the wheel, Eddie.
Oh,
It's in the wheel. Calendar.
Calendar. Oh.
Oh my gosh.
Where should we go for brunch? I'm hangry.
Yeah.
You choose, not me, not Serenity.
Are you one of those women?
I'm like fresh or key.
Oh, I'm open to you. Not Serenity.
He, then we can't even talk to Luke.
Yeah. Hi,
Oh,
did you
that
come with
makes-
us or did you come with the workers?
That makes me feel special that you want to talk to me, Phoenix. Because if you ever snob me in town, I'm going to give you a hug. I wouldn't want to give you a hug, actually. I'm not that person.
I would,
There's no way anybody snobbing you in town. Why? Because you stop for everybody.
No, they stop and talk
Not
to
even
me.
like the person dropping off the milk.
Actually, I can't even like stop and not go. Oh, I can't talk to you right now.
Are we on?
Here
we are.
Great DJ, you I love it. You get the whole backstage.
You're with the crew.
Let's go
Yeah,
front
and we
stage.
came in as per normal, as per every other show who didn't miss a beat. It is 8:18 a.m.
That's right. Here live, local and at home.
Oh, you know, you gotta love
Oh,
this live
man.
radio. You've
Yeah.
gotta love that. Hey, we're just real people.
That's right.
We never went to radio school at all.
Speak for yourself. I actually Googled it.
Speak for yourself.
just
I
did
went to YouTube.
I did a YouTube lesson. There you
Yeah.
are.
You
Fun
didn't even
times.
do that. You didn't even watch the whole video, did you?
Yeah, no, I skipped it to how to be funny.
Yeah. And I was like, oh, tick all boxes.
All boxes, that's
Done.
right.
We are there.
Yeah, oh, that's crack up.
E te iwi, kua tai tātou ki tēnei wahanga makau, aku, a tātou,
Ai.
e whakanui ana i te reo Māori.
Thanks for that.
E kia nei ko.
Ko.
E te kupu. Yeah. Call it. Blow back. Call it. Blow back. Blow back. Yes, that's right. E te kupu. E wahanga. Kupu whakarite. Māori metaphor simile. Kiki ana i ngā rerenga kōrero.
Rerenga kōrero tēnā whakarongo mai.
Oh, I wasn't
Right.
I started-
Also here,
Yeah, no,
Nui
yeah. Vea
Ichi te
rerenga
kupu.
kōrero.
Rerenga kōrero tēnā whakarongo mai.
That was better.
Iti te kupu nui te kōrero.
That's right, find out our segment where we learn a little bit of te reo Māori, ia te rā, ia te wiki. Tētahi kupu whakarite. A kupu whakarite, if you don't know, whānau is a kupu whakarite. Is a Māori metaphor and or simile, where we use a metaphor to describe something or someone
Aye.
in just a very beautiful and poetic way.
That's right.
And yesterday it wasn't Punani or Te Reo, like Luke thought it was. It's Puanani.
Yeah,
Mo
look,
te reo.
one
Expert
vowel.
teacher of te reo.
One vowel can make a big difference
Yes.
in that particular word.
yeah, one vowel
Yeah.
movement. Can just,
Iti te kupu.
Nani o te reo.
Kia
one vowel
ora.
movement can ruin a whole day.
Okay, I've got.
That was good.
Luke
Here
got
we
it.
go.
Yeah.
Kei
What is
tiri
our-
te mai tatai.
Ah, kei tiri te. He
Pura
hato
pura
tatai.
tuawhiti. Have we done
Ooh,
that?
I think we
Pura,
have.
pura. No.
Oh.
I don't, sorry, I don't know.
Pura pura afiti?
Tuawhiti.
Pura pura
Tua-
pura pura rocking
Wicked
everywhere.
Pura, 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 rocking everywhere.
Hey!
I found
Pura
you.
tuawhiti. I thought we have. Fiti to cross. To cross something. To go by about.
Tuawhiti.
Beyond.
Beyond the crossing, beyond that.
To go beyond.
Pura,
Nah,
pura.
you're all.
Uh,
You are beyond.
Thank you.
Come back.
Pura pura.
What's a pura pura? Is it a fern? Is it a fern? Is it a
Yeah,
plant?
is it? Me te tiro ake ai tātou.
Is it an ant? Is it an insect?
Insect.
Pura pura. The little insect that can go far. The little insect that
Mate,
could.
You know the fitty? Don't you got lost with that.
Oh,
Bring
tuawhiti.
come back.
So it's not go further.
Pura pura says it's a seed.
Oh, okay. Is
Or-
it he kupu anō mo te kākano?
Te rapa.
Terapia.
Since seed is
This is-
kākano.
As in, we did not see our sovereignty.
As in, te tiro ki tērā sira.
Te sira.
What's
Same,
the
same.
tuawhiti?
Pura pura tuawhiti.
It's not what I thought.
Tuawhiti.
It's actually a kumara plant
No,
Oh.
no.
of exceptional growth.
Oh.
Rau kumara.
Ah, rau
Of
tangata.
exceptional growth.
So,
Yes.
so pura pura tuawhiti. So,
That's the Māori dictionary translation.
what? Pura,
But the metaphor that I'm getting out of it, or
Is
the
not it.
characteristic, is like tuawhiti.
It's way off.
Way beyond.
Yeah.
Well, can you
Okay.
give us a
Oh,
tauira?
Oh, yeah, he tauira pai tira. Tēnei tangata, a phoenix.
Mm.
He tino pura pura tuawhiti. Koi tana rero, tere,
Ah.
kata kata.
Oh, yeah.
So he's like a
Mihi
package.
Yeah.
He's like a package of good stuff.
I won't go that far.
Well, he's fast. He's quick. He's
Tēra.
witty.
Kia ora.
That's. I would put that in my invoice. That's a good one.
Yeah, pura
With
pura
good
tuawhiti.
entertainment.
Pura pura
It says
tuawhiti.
clever, sharp-witted.
I like that. Clever,
That was a
sharp-
tauira.
And because everyone would have got it.
Pura pura tuawhiti. Is it right?
Yeah,
Pura pura
tuawhiti.
tuawhiti.
I like
A
that.
clever, sharp-witted.
Sharp-witted, clever. That's what it means. Don't ask us why.
Yeah. Why
Yeah.
does a kumara come in? A seed come
Well,
into
yeah,
that?
because the Māori dictionary says it's a kumara plant of exceptional growth, great chief, highly respected leader.
Hmm. I guess you could derive that.
Yeah, and then if
From
you
that.
really,
Yeah.
really file it
At a reach.
down,
Yeah.
you've got clever,
Clever.
sharp,
witty.
witted.
I like that.
Yeah.
Pura pura
Pura pura
tuawhiti.
tuawhiti.
I need to write these. This is so good.
Yeah,
This is
pai
great.
te rā re go
Yes.
kōrero.
Tēnā whakarongo mai.
Oh, I just got a text.
Patuhi kōrero tēnā
pānui mai. That's just a
Ooh.
little sample of our singing voices that you'll get to hear later.
Aye.
Because we are going to do Waiata Friday. So keep it locked for that, whānau, because that's just around the corner.
Just before we go into that, people listening at home or watching, we had a discussion the other day. Who decides on the words for the new COVID words? Like now we've got Omicrona.
Omicrona.
Omicrona on the.
Has
on-
mehr.
Yeah, Omicrona heft meer.
So is there like an actual hui that people get together from a different iwi and go, we
Or-
all decide on Omicrona?
Or do they just say it and
Yes,
then
that's
like
what I
just
was
have
thinking.
confidence in saying
therefore
it?
it
It's
is.
a,
That's
Yeah.
what I
Yeah.
was thinking too. Because I was to Kanadia, I was like, oh, now we got Omicrona? Who
Yeah,
decided that?
Yeah, nah, that's
someone from Gatini, surely.
Yeah, like Eroparene.
yeah. Let's do one for now. Microphone.
Oh, microwave.
He got tūturu tira.
Yeah. Microwave.
Aye.
And microphone.
Ai, tika. Ia hoki anō tātou ki te songe. Te neke songe.
Ooh, we got a jam coming from Puff Daddy. Back when he was Puff Daddy. Later, go to him, mate. P Diddy, bad boy for life.
Have you down? The actual songs? Yeah, because it's like peaking hard.
Oh, yeah. Maybe it's a song.
Yeah, probably, but
Oh, no.
it's anyway.
Even when it's down, it still is.
Microwave.
I put my ready-made meal in the microwave.
E hana mātai nai nei. E waiatana e hana.
Whiter, then we'll do the...
Kia ora.
what's it called?
Maracwe.
Hi.
We'll do the whiter after the summer content.
Awesome. I love that.
What's the song we're doing?
All the mayonnaise and the woe mayonnaise.
All the world mayonnaise in the world!
We're going to sing It's Raining Men. Hallelujah.
We should do a song like that.
Yeah, we're going to sing that. Never.
You know what it means is this? Where are we going for brunch?
The menses that I want. Don't sing that song.
Jenna, you coming for brunch? What song are we doing, sorry, Mas?
I'll be there, Jackson 5. That's the karaoke one that you got. Have you put it on the hotkey, Cass?
Yeah.
Okay, so Phoenix verse 1, Luke verse 2, I am bridge.
Hang on, is verse 2, I'll reach out my hand to you?
That is verse 2.
I'll reach out my hand to you, I'll have faith in all you do, just call my name and I'll be there, I'll be there.
And then I'll be there to comfort you, build my well dreams around you. I'm so glad that I found you. I'll be there with a love so strong. Be your strength. Keep you holding on. And then Phoenix again. Let me feel your heart. Can't you fuck it up real quick?
Yeah.
Let me feel your heart with joy and laughter that you together. That skill is all I'm after. Whenever you need me, then everybody, I'll be there. I don't know what the name is. So, tip number 1, when high, sing falsetto. Falsetto.
No, tip number 2, when it's high, sing
Tip number 3, when it's high, shy away from Mike.
If you should ever, we'll just go with this.
Well, tip number 4, never shy away.
Look, I forgot I'll be there lyrics. Why would I want her I'll be there lyrics? No,
Hard.
Who is that?
Jess Glynn.
Jess Glynn.
Also, my favourite version of I'll Be There is, of course, Mariah Carey.
Yes. We could change it to I'll be queer. I'll be queer.
But you already are. You know it will be. Just call his name.
I'll be
He
queer.
will be queer. Luke is real. Stuff on his shoulders.
Oh, you make me laugh. Are we on?
Yes.
Oh.
No seconds.
Banga, banga.
Banga, banga. Puff. Oh, I thought they said Puff, but say bad boy.
Puff the magic dragon who lives by the sea, who frolicked in the autumnness through the land of Honolulu.
Oh my gosh, what a
Did you remember that
random.
song from primary school?
No, I can't say I do. All the leaves are brown.
The
was mine.
leaves are brown.
And the sky is grey.
And the sky is grey.
I went for a... Why are you singing a different
for a
note? You changed my note. No, it's not allowed. On a winter's day, stopped into the church and began to pray. Hikina, California dreaming on such a winter's day. Let's not do that.
Oh, I went too high now. I feel sick.
California dreaming.
You could be a drag queen.
They remade that song,
Literally
and there's like
anything
a whole
else
lot
could
of
be a drag
trills in
queen.
it. Yeah.
Yeah, just like the original. We should go to. Have you been to Kalutzi's? I have not. But
Is that a drag queen thing? Because you just finished saying you should be a drag queen.
It's the drag dinner and show. Like it's always packed. It's hilarious.
Drag as a drag queen or drag racist?
Drag queens who won this beer in there.
Yeah, he'll
Chance of you in there.
be out alive.
There's actually more straight people that go to these things than the gays. It's quite cool. Full dinner, full meal, full show. Hilarious. Oh, she's on.
Too many. We'll put you back on the
5
front
seconds.
stage, T. We
10
all 5 seconds. All right. And then 10.
No, I said 12.
Oh.
Iwa te kauma iwa I rono ki whangarei nei, iwa te kauma iwa ira tahi tua atu I hukurangi mōrena e te iwi.
Morena, that's right. It's 8:30 a.m. this morning in Te Whangaorei Pai
Kohi kohinga cockles.
That's right. And if you're in the other parts of the country, it's also 8:31 now.
So informative.
Yes.
Ai te iwi, kua tai tātou ki tēnei wahanga. Papaino atu. E kia nei ko Waiata Friday. And today, thanks to all the suggestions, we ignored them all. No, jokes. And we've gone with I'll Be There.
Yes.
How exciting.
And also, haven't even heard this version, this karaoke version, so hopefully it's
Oh,
good.
yeah. I was just going to say, what?
Yeah, no, hopefully this karaoke version is good. But that's
Surely.
right, whānau, kua tai tātou ki tēnei wahanga. It's Waiata Friday.
Yeah,
Let's
boy.
go. Who are we going to be tonight, Matthew?
Well, tonight, Matthew, we're going to be Jackson 5.
With 3 of us.
Push the button. Mean as a train.
Here we go.
All right, here we go, whānau.
Oh, here we go. Your first day. Ooh.
You and I must make a pact. We must bring salvation back. Where there is love, I'll be there. I'll reach out my hand to you.
nice.
I'll have faith in all you do. Just for my name, and I'll be there.
Hey, I'm nervous. I'll be there to comfort you. Build my world with dreams around you. I'm so glad that I found you, yeah. I'll be there with a love so strong. I'll be your strength. I'll keep holding on, holding on. Eh.
Let me fill your heart with joy and laughter. Togetherness, why that's all I'm after.
Yeah.
Ooh. Whenever you need me, I'll be there.
Hey. I'll be there to protect you. With that selfish love and respect. Just go my day, and I'll be there. Ooh, I'll be there to comfort you. With my world of dreams around you, yeah. I'm so glad that I found you, yeah. I'll be there with the love so strong. I'll be your strength, yeah. I'll keep on holding on. Ooh, yeah. Ooh. Yes, I will.
You should ever find someone new. I know he better be good to you. 'Cause if he doesn't,
Go get a bench.
I'll be there.
Don't you know, baby, yeah, yeah, I'll be there. I'll be there. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Just for my day,
I'll be there. look over your shoulder, honey. Ooh, I'll be there. I'll be there. Just for my day. I'll be there. I'll be there. He'll be there. I'll be there. Yeah, 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 yeah. Just for my day. I'll be there. One more time. And ooh, I'll be there. I'll be there. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Just for my day. I'll be there. La 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 la. La la. No, it's for the show.
That was our
there.
Wata Friday
That was
whānau.
really good.
I'll be there. Karanga mai
Aye.
taku ingoa. Kei reira aho.
Oh, kia ora. And as I would like to say when I was little, just comb my hair and I'll be there.
Everyone likes a good haircut.
Yeah, and everybody likes a good no rehearsal Wata Friday.
Oh, yeah, for sure. That's how we do's it.
That makes it
Not
easier.
bad backing as well. Well done.
It was a very good, very good track actually. Phoenix, well done.
Kia
Love
ora.
that.
Oh, we got the flames.
Oh,
Tatiana.
flame.
E ahiti nei.
Nō reira whānau, kua hoki tātou ki te mito o te rohe. We have Closer from 660. Still to come, we have E Mea Nā Koe.
Aye.
Nā wai te tērā pēr maruka manuwhititua ete.
Yeah, me
That was actually really cool, guys. I really like that song. That was really cute. I see this guy, I know you went frozen on mine. You're like, ah.
Fire. I don't know if fire came out. Fire.
Flight attendants, go to your door. Civil aviation.
Oh, okay. Mea Nā Koe.
I porno.
Karanga taku ingoa. Kei kona. Ka kona ahai. You know those car sentences? Ko koreira ahai. Koreira ahai.
Koreira.
Karanga taku ingoa. Koreira ahai.
Hey, question.
That's what I heard. Like, well, someone told me Tatukere we only say ko, not K. And I was like, oh.
Oh. Yeah.
I might put this on.
Koreira.
Yeah, like all
Ko
of that.
tawhiti.
Like,
What?
What do you say, girl? Do you want to hide him?
is like you say, if you say like is tēnei mea and te mea nei the same thing?
Pretty
Are
sure.
they interchangeable?
Te
So you
mea
can
nei.
say like te mea nā and tēnā mea, like those are interchangeable.
Tēnei mea.
Yeah. They're interchangeable, right?
I don't know. Te mea nei.
I
Like, because I hear
Like-
te mea nei as in like, Sarah K, listening.
Yeah.
Give
so
us
good.
your
Or like
wisdom.
if you see something over there and you're like, oh, tēnā mea, or te mea rā. Like,
Yeah,
is it
yeah.
interchangeable like that?
Yeah. When it's, yeah,
Yeah.
sounds like it. Doesn't
Pāpara.
sound.
Tēnā
Pai ki
pāpara.
aku taringa.
Yeah, yeah. I actually find it nicer. But I don't know if
Yeah, because I don't want to
but
say
I don't know if
tēnei
it's
mea.
correct. Yeah.
Tēnei mea.
It's like one of those things too, like it doesn't like it sounds fresher, but it's
Yeah.
the same.
But also we
Te
just
mea
say,
rā.
tēnei. Tēnā. The bara.
Kapara he sabatu shutu.
Te microphone rā.
Ai.
What else are you doing this weekend? You're doing nothing. You're home.
Yes.
What are you doing?
Yeah, same. We just
Oh.
What are you doing?
Home.
might go to Marcia's house and do something.
Kia ora.
You know, you
Paitira.
should. I might just watch. From home. Do nothing.
Come over, mind you, we got 100 stairs.
20
Oh,
seconds.
it's all right.
Is it forward
No,
selling?
It's not. Sorry, my bad. Hey.
Oh, a lot.
Heavy. Music trailer. Spot block. Cock block.
Oh, wow.
Clam jam. That's hilarious. Who would have thought of that? Clever.
Just call my
Sorry, I was asking you. Did you
name.
see the new email? No,
So, new emails.
So
I need to
they
put my
can't do
notifications on.
Wednesday the 9th, but they want to know if we can do the
Thursday
14th,
the 10th.
No, the 14th or 15th.
What about movie?
Yeah, we can still go to the movie if you want
Okay.
to, but it means we're going to go down and back. Like, just go down to the movie and come straight back from the movie. You okay with that?
I'll have to think about it. 14th of February, the
Yes.
Monday,
Well, she said the 14th or 15th.
Tuesday. She said Tuesday.
But are you okay for that following week?
Yeah,
Okay. I'll email back.
the Tuesday.
Because if I wait for
The
you...
15th.
She just said that week, 14th, 15th.
So, can we see?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, go on. But it'll be a day thing.
Yeah, that's right. If it's a day thing.
But if you don't want to do the movie, that's fine. I get it. It means you've got to go down
No, I
just
just
for
gotta
the
think.
movie.
Yeah, I gotta think about it. Whether it's with that.
Am I not?
What are you driving? Yeah, kia ora.
We're not
Yeah,
cancelled,
get
but-
to the back
and
seat.
also, I don't think it's a premiere, so I don't think it's...
So it's just an ordinary movie.
Did you not read the messages? You skipped my own message. It says it's a script, a preview screening, so it's not like
Ah.
big, you get food, but it's not like...
No. Oh shit. We can hear you guys talking about the movies.
Yes.
I take a Maru. Nah, because we're in the backstage. Tell Maru.
Maru, if you can hear me, it's because you are online, which means we don't write payments for the music we're supposed to play.
We're broke. Nah.
So if you're online, you're not allowed to hear the music. You hear us, which is called the VIBs. You get the very important backstage part.
Things is frozen on mine. It does.
Oh, have you? So you actually get all the shade. And, you know, to not get burned from the shade, you stick to the shade.
15 seconds.
Okay. Are we forward selling?
Frozen, joking
Yeah.
about frozen like that. 10 seconds.
Are we
She
forward
sets
selling?
the song there. Right?
Yeah. 5, 4.
Welcome back, everybody. Iwa Takoma, Iwa Ira Oro ki whangarei. Iwa Takoma, Iwa Ira Tahi Tua Rangi. Morning night, Iwa. It is 8:42 a.m. It's Luke, Marcy and Phoenix coming to you live, local and at home.
Yes, and we are both.
local and at home.
Kia ora.
Hine FM.
Oh, that's so hot.
Yes, and especially on the round offs of your home,
Yeah.
you get like an accent.
Yeah, home. Home.
Also, we are online as well, and as explaining to Maruata, onliners get the special
The
backstage pass.
and you call it VIB, a very important backstager.
Mm.
If you're listening on the radio at home or in your car, you get the full explosion of music. But if not, you're online, you get us in the breaks. It's great. You get all the tea.
Kia ora. And if you're like listening and watching online, for some reason there's some network connection problem, even though we haven't been playing the music. You know what I think it
It's
is?
just that one was the Wi-Fi. I know because it was doing it on my phone when I was on the Wi-Fi.
Yes, I've taken
on my
mine
phone.
off too. I've gone on to my only one.
Oh,
We need better
only-
Wi-Fi.
Yeah, I asked the building because the health trust is back now, and we're all on the same Wi-Fi.
So they're like, whoa, too
Wi-Fi.
much Wi-Fi.
Yeah.
Liffy. Good. Our radio listeners, our supportive day one regulars are
That's right.
listening on the radio right now. So thank you.
Absolute.
But yeah,
Ooh.
we've still got, segments coming up on the show.
E mea ana koe.
We got Mauna Koe.
Ah.
We still got Mauna Koe coming up. It's an opportunity to learn some facts and or cacks, depending on how much research you do
Mau e
into
te
it.
saifa.
Yeah. No reira. Kia utone mai mo tērā mea, te mea rā. Oh, and that's a partai while we're here. So I just got a quick partai
Okay,
for
back
the
to you.
audience. Quick
We're all
partai.
waiting on the edge of
I'll
our
bring it up
seat.
on the next time, but I just have a te reo partai. So a bit of a reo partai. So if you're mātanga reo, keep a tune for the next part during the Mauna Koe because I need you to answer some questions for me.
Kia ora.
No reira ko hoki tātou
Yeah,
ki te
the
mito te rohe.
cliffhanger.
Yeah.
What's he
What
gonna
is the
ask?
question? Oh, I'm keeping it locked.
Live,
We
local.
have a great song from Shaka Khan
Shaka Khan,
called
Shaka Khan.
I'm Every Woman.
Oh, yes! That's a banger!
Kawe huri ki
I
te ana
like
ki e
put this
whānau.
one in.
Ngāti
Work it, twerk it, bop it, move it.
Yes, you can still hear us, Maruata.
This is the original amazing. Oh, yes. Do you know who this is?
Shaka Khan.
Oh, good. I'm making sure he knows. I know that she's an African American lady.
With big afro.
Shaka Khan, Shaka Khan, Shaka Khan, Shaka Khan.
Oh, Shaka Khan.
Everyone in here.
You're funny, Maruata.
On April 1st, we should fake an argument during the backstage part.
Yes. Also, we just told
You
you.
missed your cue again. Shut up! Useless. Oh, get out of here.
No, we should fake one. That's a real situation. That's a real situation. Bet you wear a hat again. What's up with your hoodie, Korowai?
Hoodie.
Your hoodie way. No. I'm gonna say I stole your hoodie white style too hot, but then maybe be cold. I'm gonna do a look. Hoodie white. Yeah. Felt so Auckland CBD-ish.
It's so that. If you tied it or not, it's
gay. Oh, that's very tennis club, golf club, country club.
Oh, you're the help? Fantastic. That's all.
I'm not the help.
Not you're not.
Yeah, it's not me.
We own the place. Gotta get away side. Oh yeah.
Why are you playing up, bro?
Got to get away.
Some of the streams have connection issues. Why connection issues?
Oh yeah. Got to get away.
Any Wi-Fi people out there? See here. There's no other Wi-Fi. Why is there Hinamaru 2? We want Hinamaru 1.
I woke up there on the cloudy day. Have a poo and wee and feeling okay. Feeling lousy from last night party. In the back of my mind, I got a play.
sustainable energy source.
Amazing.
Yeah.
Do you have a fact there, Marcy?
No, you go.
Okay.
I've just come back to the
Oh, you're back. Oh,
to
you
the
are.
whānau.
Welcome back.
Ko hoki mai.
I've got a real. Oh yes, there is enough fuel in a full jumbo jet tank to drive an average car 4 times around the whole world.
Wow.
Oh,
That's
wow.
crazy.
So that shows you how much fuel a jumbo tank.
And I wonder how much they
burns.
use just to get to Aussie.
Yeah.
That's
Mind
crazy.
you, it's pretty full way because, like, what's the longest? From here, we went from here
To Dubai was
to
a
Dubai.
long flight.
We went straight to Dubai, eh?
I went to 18 hours.
Yeah,
Yeah.
17, 18 hours.
That's
That's
direct.
crazy.
That's direct.
No
So
stopping.
That's a
All you
lot
can
of
eat.
fuel.
It's a lot of fuel. One way. That's a lot of fuel.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
And so it can power a car to drive around the Earth.
Yep,
The distance of around the Earth 4 times.
4 times.
Fuel,
That's a lot of
there is
fuel.
enough fuel in a full jumbo jet tank to drive an
And
average
that's
car
like that's
4 times around
hundreds
the
and
world.
my
hundreds
car
of
going
time a
around.
day.
That's like your
a
little
jumbo
yellow
jet.
car
Yeah.
around the world 4 times.
Oh, that's 8 times. on my yellow
Yeah,
car.
yeah, he'll get around 8 times.
That's
Jeez.
amazing.
But it's crazy when you think about how many jumbo jets are in the sky at any one time, and then that's how much fuel's being
Yeah.
burned. Oh, I can't
And then
believe it.
when you think about the costs,
Mm.
probably, yeah. When costs come into
Wow.
play, it's actually worth that amount.
Yeah, that's crazy. We need to
Yeah.
get back into sailing, Whānau. Very
Yeah.
sustainable. Navigating with the stars.
Although I do
Sustainable.
like a good flight.
yeah. Although I do like a good 18 hours as opposed to 18 months travel.
Yes, I do like a good business class seat.
Yeah, so
Ora.
that's a good amount, Nakwe.
Thank you.
Do you have any more?
I do. Are you still?
Yeah, you go.
Oh, I've got a couple.
Who's
Shall I
had
keep
good
going?
ones?
Or
Yeah,
no? Lightning strikes the Earth times every second.
Oh, wow.
Every second,
Every
the Earth is
second.
being
Probably
struck
heaps in America.
100 times.
Lightning,
Lightning,
Mississippi.
but that's
Lightning,
100
Mississippi.
times.
Oh, 100 times.
Yeah, so every
Oh.
second it's 100.
Wow.
Yeah,
Somewhere
that's
on the Earth
amazing.
was being hit.
Yeah, how do they know that though? That's amazing.
Yeah, true.
Lightning strikes the Earth 100 times every second,
Wow, that's crazy.
and it doesn't stop. So it's continual. Every
Ora.
there's been
every
what
second.
there's been about 20,000 already now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's hilarious.
Nothing is on fire. Fire is on things.
Oh, that's clever. Nothing is on fire. Fire is on things.
Yeah.
That is
Bit
so
of fire.
true. Yeah, that's so good.
That's a good one.
I've got 2 more.
One more?
Is that okay? One more. One more.
Ka
The
pau
ci-
haere te wā.
The cigarette lighter was invented before a match.
Oh, the car one?
No, you know the cigarette, like the
Oh,
cigarette.
the lighter. Just a lighter.
A cigarette lighter
Before the match.
was invented before the match.
Oh, Buzzy.
Kia ora.
So why
That
didn't we
is-
take a backward step on that one?
Exactly. That's
I guess the
amazing.
gas, you want portable.
And I'll have more
Yes.
next week.
And I'll get one more just in there. Every time a character dies on TV, we should feel bad because it's pretty much an actor just got fired in
Fired.
front of
Yeah,
us.
And it's sad because they
They
don't
don't
know
come-
until they read the script. They like read the script. Oh yeah, and then Jeff dies. What?
Yeah, hard.
That's how
Yeah,
they
pretty
find
That's
out.
like the
much, you're
most.
right.
Like if you needed to fire your people, that's probably the best job to have.
Yeah, yeah.
that's
Because you
right.
can just do it away from them.
You
Yeah,
ain't coming
and then
back.
he catches the elevator. And like, oh yeah, sweet, and then goes to die. Elevator breaks.
Pretty much.
Anyway,
Sad.
finally, on that grim note, that we have ventured through the whole show. Tainua ki te motunga o te hōtaka nei. Have a great weekend.
Yes, it's a long weekend. Enjoy yourselves. Be safe out there. Kia hau maru.
Yes,
Oi.
be safe. Be great. Be safe on the roads, man. Come on. Don't be silly on the road.
Actually.
Be safe.
Be safe. Our roads are
And,
bad enough.
Yes, and we'll be back Monday morning from 7 a.m. onwards. Hiu e anō mai a mātou mō tēnei wā. Kia kaha.
Kia Maya!
Kia nifa.
Bye, everybody!
We're going to leave you with Choose You from Stan Walker. Ngāti Hine FM.
Ura.
just